All right, so you want to know about Django.
Yeah.
But, like, you're in a hurry.
In a hurry.
So you're looking for, like, the 60-second Django rundown.
60-second Django.
We gotcha.
Let's do it.
We're going to deep dive into Django in about the time it takes to brew, like, a really good cup of coffee.
I like it.
So Django, first of all, it's this web framework for Python, right?
It is.
It's known for being, like, crazy.
Yes. Speed and efficiency.
And efficient. But can you unpack that a little bit?
Sure. So Django really shines because it's built on Python.
Okay.
Which is already a language that's known for being really readable and easy to learn.
Okay.
But Django takes it even further by providing this really, like, robust structure and a ton of pre-built components.
Well, this is where we get into that whole batteries included thing.
Batteries included, yeah.
I've heard that phrase so many times.
Right.
What does that actually mean?
It's a great question.
Like in practice for someone who wants to build something?
So imagine that you want to build a house, right?
Okay.
You could start by chopping down trees and milling the lumber yourself.
Okay.
But that's going to take you a long time and a lot of effort.
Sure.
Django is kind of like walking into a well-stocked lumber yard.
Oh, okay.
You've got your pre-cut lumber, your nails, tools, everything's right there ready for you.
Gotcha.
So you can get started quickly.
So instead of me like sweating over every little detail, I can kind of like focus on my design and
you got it.
Layout and stuff.
Exactly. That Django takes care of all those common web development tasks.
Okay.
So like interacting with databases, handling user authentication, security, all that stuff.
And that's kind of where the speed comes in, right?
Absolutely.
Because it's not just
about
like writing code fast. It's that you
got a framework that
itself is already
anticipates your needs,
kind of ready,
provides those ready-made solutions.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. So this is why people using Django to build like simple websites to like really complex applications.
Anything you can imagine.
Wow.
You know?
Okay, so we've gone from like 0 to Django.
0 to Django in 60 seconds.
In 60 seconds.
Yeah.
What's the like one key takeaway?
I would say the one key takeaway is if you're looking to build web applications efficiently and effectively, Django is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal.
Nice.
It's got the power, the speed, that rich ecosystem of pre-built components make it a top choice for developers all over the world.
So given all that, what kind of web application could you build with the power of Django at your fingertips?
Exactly what could you build? That's the question.
I like it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for listening, everybody.
Thanks for having me.
To this 60-second.
Appreciate it.
Deep dive.
Deep dive on Django.
Into Django.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Catch you later.